The latest updates on Langelihle Phili. Kaizer Chiefs have reached an agreement in principle with Stellenbosch FC for Langelihle Phili. Current package on table: Ashley Dupreez plus Gavin Msimangu plus cash. Dupreez has already agreed personally terms with Stellenbosch FC, but only if Phili comes to Kaizer Chiefs. The latest status: Chiefs and Stellenbosch are believed to have reached a club-to-club agreement. Mazola Molife, who is the sports journalist at SABC, also elaborated in this matter.
Now, here's some news that are going to make Kaizer Chiefs fans very happy. I'm told that during the course of the week, Kaizer Chiefs and Stellies agreeing to the broader framework of the deal involving winger Langelihle Phili. They've been chasing this player for a couple of weeks, even coach Fernando da Cruz making it clear that one of the players that they are targeting in the four that he believes they still need in the squad is a winger that can potentially also play as a 10, and Langelihle fits the bill perfectly. I'm told that, as I said, the broader framework of the deal in the works, deal pretty much agreed in principle to a large extent. So Kaizer Chiefs firm favorites to win the signature of the player now before the transfer window closes. There's still a bit of time, September 22nd. So, but obviously they want to get it done as soon as possible. That's the latest regarding Kaizer Chiefs, Langelihle Phili and Stellies. Keep it locked on all my social media pages for updates on the Betway Premiership as we kick off, as well as some transfer news that are still outstanding. Harayeng.
Stellenbosch FC have slapped a 16 million price tag on him, while Stellenbosch FC might sell Langelihle Phili. Phili's contract has only 1 year left. Stellies' risk is losing him for free next year. He was Stellies' top goal scorer last season with 9 goals in 39 games, 7 goals in 26 PSL games. Also won Fans Player Plus Young Player of the Season. The complications: Phili's agent Clint Pinkini says Phili's priority is to go abroad to Europe. If no European option comes, then he'll access to local options. There was also interest from Al Ittihad Tripoli in Libya in January. Human resources breakdown: why Kaizer Chiefs wants Langelihle. Phili is under 23 Bafana International, plus with pace, goals, CAF experience. Strategy: succession, replace aging wingers, build around youth. Assets play, buy before he goes free or go to Europe. Swap deal: offload Dupreez, who's falling down pecking order, plus Msimangu. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.